In this guide, you will learn how to disable automatic restrictions on TikTok, allowing for a more personalized experience on the platform. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. This will open the Settings and Privacy menu. Step 4. Select Privacy Settings. Scroll down and find the Privacy option. Tap on it to access various privacy settings related to your account. Step 5. Adjust restrictions. Look for options related to content restrictions or safety features. Disable any automatic restrictions or filters that you wish to turn off. Make sure to save any changes if prompted. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on TikTok. Enjoy a more customized experience on the platform.